Hey guys, so this video was really popular last time I did it. I just want to show you all the new iOS 17 ringtones and text tones. Let's get into it. Those are all my ringtones. They updated the reflection ringtone to this. So it sounds a little different. There's this ringtone. I like this one too. I don't like that one as much. No. Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. It's just annoying. There's that one. That one. That one almost sounds like the Discord ringtone. That one's cool. Interesting. That sounds like one of the Samsung this one. Then we still have all the
Voiceover on. Opening. Button.
Oh, opening, but
Voiceover
it's not default anymore. They still have all the old ringtones, but instead you have to go into classic. But this is my favorite, is the new reflection. They also changed up the sounds and haptics. Alright, let's look at the text tones. I can't hear it. Okay, I cannot hear it. Yeah, I know, Dynamic Island. What the heck?
Voiceover on. Classic. Button. Portal. Button. Passage. Milestone. Handoff. Droplet. Chord. Cheers. Antic. Note. Default. None. Note. Default. Button. Note. Default.
Well, I'll try to
Voiceover
play
on.
all these. So there's this one. That 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 one. And that one. Alrighty, guys. I don't know if you guys could hear that or not, but let's see if they added any new calendar
Voiceover on.
things.
Droplet. Default. Antic. Cheers. Chord. Handoff. Milestone. Note.
Oh,
Button.
they added
Passage.
them to
Portal. Rattle.
calendar and stuff too.
Sounds and haptics.
Alright, guys. See you guys.
Sounds and haptics. Send mail.
So
Input.
they have
Calendar.
the
Remind. Systems out. Keyboard theme. Lock sound. Switch button. On.
all this.
Voiceover off.
And I have an Apple Watch, but for some reason I can't do control nearby Apple Watches. Woo! Alright, see you guys later. Bye.